concerned with your character than your reputation. Because your character is what you really are, while your reputation is what others think you are. Assalamu alaikum and a very good afternoon to all of you. I am Samia. I am a student. I am studying 10th standard at Royal Academy Islamic High School, Ghar. I stand before you with the spirit of humility to put across my views about the strength of character. There are certain qualities which we have lost. One of them is the quality of honesty. One of them is the quality of mercy for one another. Compassion, empathy. We have lost these qualities that make a person have that beautiful manners that the Prophet Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam said, "Innama bu'istu li'utammima makarim al-akhlaq." I have been sent to bring about you perfect good manners, but we have lost these qualities, and as a result, we have become diseased. As an ummah, what is the cure? We have to go back to unconditional honesty. If you are talking to your children, be honest. Don't think because they are children, it's okay to lie to them. If you are talking to anyone, be honest. Be in the habit of being honest. Because until we go back to that beautiful character and we will not fix our condition. See, we complain a lot about the type of leadership that we have, don't we? Leadership in our masajid, we say, oh, it's corrupt. Leadership in our countries, it's corrupt. Do you know why we have corrupt leadership? Because our leadership is the reflection of us. It is the reflection of what we are inside. If we want our leaders to be better, we have to become better. We have to become honest. If we want our leaders to be honest, because they are the reflection of who we are inside, changing ourselves. Inna Allah la yughayyiru ma biqawmin hatta yughayyiru ma bi'anfusihim. Indeed, Allah does not change the condition of a people until they change what is inside themselves. If we want just leaders, be just in your own families, be just in your own organization, at your schools, in your masajid. We can't even have a proper board in masjid. And we are going to talk about justice at state level. We have to start to change ourselves, going back to that beautiful character, to stop being harsh, to stop having hard. You know one of the problems we have is we think when you become religious, it means you have to be really mean, right? You have to be harsh. Sometimes people, as they become more and more religious, they become more and more harsh with their families. All of a sudden, everything is haram, and now they actually become more hardened. It's not what is the mean to be religious. The Prophet Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam was the softest of people. He had the softest of heart, and he said, khairukum li ahli. The best of you are the best with your families. It's not the best of you are the best to those in masjid or most polite to the people at cash register, but the best with your families. That's actually the litmus test of your righteousness. How do you treat when you get home? This is the litmus test put down by the Prophet Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam. We have to go back to good character. Innama bu'istu li'utammima makarim al-akhlaq. I have been sent to beautify, to perfect beautiful manners and character. We have to go back to mercy between one another, compassion, empathy. La yuminu ahadukum hatta yuhibbul aqima yuhibbu nafsin. That none of you truly believe until they love for others what they love for themselves. We have to be a people who care about one another. We can't have this nafsi attitude. And if we do, it's a sign that there is a disease internally. Finally, one of the diseases that is plaguing us as a community, both individually as well as collectively, is the disease of despair. I believe that we have fallen into despair, and many of us feel as those who came before us felt that Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala actually asked us rather, أَحَسِبْتُمْ أَن تَدْخُلُوا الْجَنَّةَ وَلَمَّا يَأْتِكُمْ مَثَلُ الَّذِينَ خَلَوْا مِن قَبْلِكُمْ. Do you believe, do you think that you will enter paradise without going through which those who came before you went through? مستهم البأساء والضراء والزلزلوا حتى يقول الرسول والذين آمنوا معه متى نصر الله. Those people who came before us, they were tested, they were given adversity, they were tried, they were so shaken that even the messengers and those with the messengers asked, Mata Nasrullah, when will the help of Allah come? I think that we feel like that right now, and many of us have fallen into despair. But Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala does not want us to fall into despair. Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala reminds us at the end of this ayah, Allah inna nasrullahi qareeb. Indeed, the help of Allah is near. I end up my talk with a special thanks to you all wonderful people for listening to me with a great patience.